Online part-time jobs for students in mobile. Online part-time jobs that students can do from their mobile phones or smartphones. Hey folks, I hope you are worried about the online part-time jobs for students in mobile. So do not think too much about it. Here I will show you some of the easiest methods for earning part-time income. With the growth in technology and the internet, job opportunities have grown tremendously too, today. Even college students can do part-time jobs from their smartphones and earn a good income. If you are a student looking to earn some side income, you'd be happy to know there are several part-time jobs that require just a smartphone and a good internet connection. After the COVID-19 pandemic, the popularity of online jobs has increased tenfold. Today, there are multiple jobs that don't require a lot of experience, a dedicated workspace, or even a computer. This means even students can do these jobs from their mobile phones. All you need are the right skills, dedication, and the will to succeed. In this blog post, we will tell you about 7 online part-time jobs that you can do on your mobile phone. So, if you are a student looking for some good earning opportunities, read on. Top 10 online jobs for student in mobile. Number 1. Social media influencer. This is one of the most popular jobs currently. Social media platforms have grown tremendously in the last few years. In fact, Instagram alone has over 1 billion monthly active users. Yes, you read it correctly. Since there are so many people on social media, businesses have also started using it to promote their products and services. And for this, they need to partner with popular individuals with a substantial following. This makes social media influencer jobs highly lucrative. To get started, all you need is a smartphone and some creative ideas. Moreover, you don't need to have 100K of followers. In fact, you can collaborate with brands even if you have several thousand followers. Such people are known as micro and nano influencers. Number 2. Social media manager. Just like a large number of students, do you also love spending a lot of time on social media? If yes, why not turn this love into an excellent part-time career? Today, almost every big and the small brand has a social media page. And they're always on the hunt for talented individuals who can handle their social media pages for them. If you have knowledge of creating different kinds of content for different social media platforms and handling them, you can become a social media manager. In this job, you will have to handle your clients' Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other accounts, post on their behalf, manage comments, etc. You can do it from your phone by dedicating only a few hours. Number 3. Online tutor. Another excellent part-time job that you can do from your mobile phone is that of an online tutor. If you have expertise in a subject and enjoy teaching it, you can start working as an online tutor from the comfort of your home. Online teaching has become super popular, especially after COVID-19. Today, there are a lot of online teaching platforms that enable individuals to teach other students from the comfort of their homes. From English to history to maths, you can teach any subject that you want. Depending upon your knowledge, you also choose the level of students you want to teach. Number 4. Translator. If you have expertise in different languages, you can start working as a part-time translator. In this job, you will have to translate an article, book, report, or blog into another language. There are multiple types of translations. For example, you can do Hindi to English translations, Tamil to Hindi translations, and so on. Online translation jobs offer a fantastic way to earn good money by simply using your linguistic skills. You do not need to have any professional degree or even a computer to get started. If you can type on your phone efficiently, there are multiple freelance websites that offer translation jobs. You can also collaborate with an author and work as a part-time translator for them. Number 5. Start a dropshipping business. If none of the above options sounds attractive to you, you can also start your dropshipping business from your phone. In dropshipping, you can accept the customer's orders and fulfills them without the need for having an inventory. Your job is to promote products to the customers. As soon as you receive orders, you will have to let the supplier know about it. The supplier will ship the order directly to the customer. Thus, you can earn a good income without investing money in inventory, brick-and-mortar stores, or anything else. It is convenient and can be handled from your phone too. Platforms like Meesho offer opportunities to people who want to do dropshipping and earn some side income. Number 6. Market research. If making multiple phone calls doesn't bother you, you can also start working as a part-time market research expert. In this job, you will have to get in touch with various prospects and conduct surveys. Survey topics can vary from industry to industry. For example, you may have to do cold calling to learn more about a product, service, or even political opinions. Number 7. Online surveys. While taking online surveys won't help you earn a lot of money, you will still be able to earn your pocket money from it. The best about online surveys is that they are super easy to complete and take just a few minutes. And you do it anywhere from your mobile phone. There are various online survey platforms that pay you money or rewards for taking surveys. Some popular ones include Swagbucks, YouGov, TimeBucks, and more. Earning methods: couple of the easiest online part-time jobs for students in mobile. Number 8. YouTube with affiliate marketing. Nowadays YouTube is trending around the world because of its demand highly increases, especially during the pandemic. The people started presenting their talent, whatever they have, about specific skills or tasks. If you are a student, then you may consider making a short video by adding value to people and publishing them. Once you achieve the eligibility criteria, after that your channel will be monetized automatically and you will start earning. While publishing videos, you may put the affiliate link of any e-commerce website like Amazon, Walmart and others. Accordingly, you will get the commission once the purchase is done from your affiliate links. Number 9. Customer care service. There are so many online e-commerce platforms that offer their products online, like Amazon and other food ordering online platforms. But they need customer assistance executives. You may join them through smartphone, even from home part-time. There are options available. You may select only the answer to query in online chat, or you may select an answer by attending the call from customers. Many people do this job part-time for earning additional income from home. Number 10. Food selling online. Students love to eat many delicious food items. If you know any delicious food items that can be cooked easily, you may promote them on many social media platforms like Facebook and others. Also, you may apply to list your foods item in any e-commerce food delivery platform and start selling from home as a part-time job. For more details, please check in the description. The link has been given. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.